I've got two tabs open. I've got a Google slide open and I've got the Remove background website open. So the first thing we're going to do is sort out our slide to make sure that it's a blank background. So we're going to click on Layout and just click on Blank, makes it blank. And what we're going to do is we're going to use the camera function on our Chromebook to insert a picture of yourself. So we're going to do that by coming up to Insert, coming across to Image, and down the very bottom here is Camera. Now if this is the first time you've used this, you might get a Seek Permission object come up, click Allow. So I'm going to look directly at the camera and smile and take a picture with the yellow capture button. And I'm going to click on Insert. There's my picture. Stretch it to make it bigger. What we're going to do now is we're going to take a screen snip of this. So we're going to use the screen snip function, which is Control Shift and the Windows key. I'm going to I've moved this here. You can drag this around with your, that'll do. I'm going to click Capture. And that drops down onto the toolbar down here. I'm going to switch to the next tab and simply just drag that picture into here by clicking on it and from the screenshots. It will then remove the background for me, which is what I want. I'm going to click Download, and then I can come back to here, delete this picture, and click on the download, drag that into here, and I've got that mark on my face there because I clicked on the screen as I was screen capturing, so I might want to redo that. But now we've got a picture minus the background, which matches the white background of the slide, which is what I want. One last little trick that we can do is we can then crop this. So click up over here, click on the drop down arrow with the mask image option, click on shapes. I'm going to choose a circle, click on that. It's cropped into here, but if I now double tap, I can use these black marker bars to move the circle in, and use this one and move the circle in to make it more central. And when I'm happy with that, I'm going to click Enter, and I now have my central picture. Next, what I'm going to do is I'm going to add some thought bubbles to this. So I'm going to come up to Shapes up here, come to Callouts, and this option here is the Think bubble. So click on here, and we can use this option here to drag it out. We can copy that, Control C and Control V, put it over here, drag it over here like this, and we can drag this thought bubble icon all the way around to here to see what I'm thinking. And you can change the color of these obviously, so you can click on here and change that to a cloud, yellow cloud, and we'll change this one to a, I don't know, make it a different color, and we can put lines on them, so make them darker and make them thicker. So you've got much better thought bubbles, more cartoony if you want them like that. Then of course once you've done that, you can start, you can change the font as you see fit. This is Arial, and I'm going to change this to something that's a bit more interesting. Might change it to Carter 1. There we go.